Hello everybody. So today I will talk about calculus. The topic today is about integration. So now I will show you how to answer. We need to use about integration by substitution. So I will put about u equals to this one. Later that we do first the derivative of this one. First, the derivative of number 4, you got about 0 because this is about the constant. First, the derivative of this one, we got about 3e to the power of 3s ds. Because we don't have number 3 in here, so we need to divide both sides by number 3. So this one we change by u e to the power of 3s ds, we change by the u over number 3. So the integration of this one, we got about u to the power of 3 over 3, and we put about c. Number 3, we got about number 9. About u, that is about this one. This is the end. Thank you for watching.